Query successful. Try again without apps. Are you considering Rocket Money but have one big question lingering? What happens if I need a refund? It's a smart question. We all sign up for services expecting them to work, but life happens. Maybe you changed your mind, or maybe the features weren't quite what you expected. Understanding the refund policy for any subscription service is crucial, especially one that deals with your finances. Today, we're cutting through the noise to give you a clear picture of Rocket Money's refund policy, what to expect, and more importantly, what not to expect. Rocket Money primarily offers a service, and their standard approach is generally a no-refund policy for the premium subscription fees already charged. They make their features available instantly, and like many apps, once the month or year of service is underway, that payment typically stays with them. However, there's a key caveat to this: they encourage communication. If you feel you were incorrectly charged, or if there's a unique circumstance, your first step should always be to contact their support team directly. They handle these issues on a case-by-case basis. While a blanket refund isn't guaranteed, speaking to a representative gives you the best chance of resolving a billing error. Now, let's talk about the other big thing Rocket Money does: subscription cancellation and bill negotiation. When Rocket Money helps you cancel a third-party subscription, any potential refund from that company, like for prepaid months of a service you didn't use, will come directly from the original provider. Rocket Money facilitates the cancellation, but they don't issue the refund for the third-party service itself. And for their bill negotiation service, which is success-based, Rocket Money's fee for that service, which is a percentage of your first year's savings, is only charged after they successfully lower your bill. If, for some reason, you don't realize the savings you were promised, you should absolutely contact them to discuss an adjustment or refund of that negotiation fee. This part of their service is directly tied to the value you receive. So, the bottom line is this: for the premium subscription fee itself, don't rely on an automatic refund, but do reach out if you feel there's a billing error. For successful bill negotiations, the fee is value-driven, so if you're not seeing the savings, raise the flag. Like any financial tool, knowing the terms helps you use it confidently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.